happy to be in your midst today as I welcome you to the 6th webinar. I come with a lot of greetings for those who are still experiencing the challenges of COVID-19. I want to encourage you that all is well. Good morning, everybody. Today, the topic we are going to be addressing is starting most businesses with little or nothing. You don't need ₦1 to start most businesses. Today, you are going to see how easy it is to create wealth, employing people to work for you and you'll be making money. Start a business packaging anything you can think of and making excess of ₦1 million a month. Use the internet to expand your business. Create a lot of opportunities to make money from the internet. Open shops today without ₦1 in your pocket. Start a school without ₦1 in your pocket. Even build an estate without ₦1 in your pocket. I repeat, like I always say, money flows in the streets of Nigeria and continue to flow in the streets of Nigeria. Nigerians are not picking it. Today, as we go on, I expect to hear your questions. Challenge me with anything you can think of today that is pressing you, that is holding you from starting that business, that is making that business not to thrive. We are going to discuss it today, and we are going to show you how easy you can create and solve those situations that you have. But before I start, I'd like to remind you that you must establish a relationship with your Maker. Know the God that you serve and connect very well to the Almighty. Because everything you get out of life comes from God. So if you have a special relationship with Him, no man can distort what you have. Having taken care of that, there are 3 attributes I always show people anytime we come for this webinar. One of it is that you must understand that your mind and your mindset have to be positive, you have to be happy, and you have to desire what you want. Because wealth is in the mind. Whatever you think about, whatever you desire comes to you naturally. That's how God made it. Do you know if you want to travel tomorrow to Lagos with the first car in the car park, and you want to wake up as early as 6 a.m. in the morning, do you know your spirit will not sleep? You wake up at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Sometimes you tell yourself, let me just sleep for 1 more hour before I wake up. Exactly that 1 hour you wake up. Has it happened to you? If it has happened to you, you will see very clearly how it is to create wealth with ease. I tell you, it is what you think about that you get out of life. Many people don't know that they live with their salaries. They truncate their thinking and their desires with the salary they earn. A man that earns 50,000 will go to the supermarket and not look at so many things that he desires. You truncate yourself and you cannot get those things that you are looking for. If you dare yourself and go to a car mart where they sell brand new cars, not Tokumbo cars, don't limit yourself looking at your salary and looking at your bank account balance. Go to a car mart where they sell brand new cars. Demand for the car of your dream. Ask for the keys. Tell them you want to test the car. Enter inside the car, put on the ignition, put on light music, and put on air condition. Smell the inside of that car. Internalize the fact that you own that car. When you finish, put off everything and go to the attendant and give the attendant the key and tell the attendant you are coming back to buy that car. When you go home, your spirit will not sleep. You will be tossing around in your bed. When you sit in the confines of your toilet, the how to make that 20 million naira to buy that car will start coming to your mind. Ladies and gentlemen, what you desire, what you think about is what you achieve out of life. So the first principle I'm teaching today is make sure your mindset is right. Make sure you have desires. Make sure you are positive. The second attribute I'm going to share with you is your packaging, your grooming. Nobody writes their certificates on their head. Nobody writes their account balance on their head. How do people get to know whether you are successful, whether you are rich, or whether you are intelligent? What people use to assess you is what they see in your presentation. Who do you tell people you are? Poor, irresponsible, rich, successful? I dare you, before you leave your house, look at a big mirror that sees your head to your toe and ask yourself before that mirror whether you look important, whether you look rich, whether you look successful. If you don't look these 3 things, don't leave your house. Because that's how people will look at you. The next attribute is the way and people you actually have company with. Who are your friends? Who do you mingle with? Do you know that 60% of the friends you keep today are negative? And if you are not careful, they will take away 80% of your life. They will take away 80% of your attention and distract you from your focus. I use the arithmetic sign to teach people how to position themselves to be successful. The minus, the plus, the division, and the multiplication. 60% of our friends are negative, but they are very sociable. So they arrest you, they come to visit you, they spend 3 hours with you doing nothing. They send text messages to you to distract you from your focus. And before you know it, they've taken a lot of your time out of your life. The next set of friends are the positive friends. They constitute about 25% of the friends you currently keep. These guys are positive. Anywhere you see them, they take life seriously. They are where they are supposed to be. And if you have them in school, we call them efikos. In organizations that want to give assignment to, that want to make things happen in the organization. In churches and religious settings, they are the ones that make things go on in the religious groups that they belong to. If you see these people, please copy what they do. As you copy them, you will increase your positivity. It will increase your positive vibes. And it will actually give you the attention that you want. The next set of people are the ones that can divide your life. People who have vices, cultists, people that are into all sort of drug and all sort of things. Name them, lesbian, homosexual, all of them. If you are not careful, these guys, they come in a very manipulative way. They will manipulate you and throw a bait at you. And you jump at the bait, and before you know it, you are already conscripted into that vice already. There are a lot of young people today whose friends told them they are having a party. And they go to the party and they end up getting into the wrong hands that will take them into wrongs. I don't want to explain what that is, but people who have vices, who are into drugs, who do all those things, they lose and get you completely out of your life focus. Sometimes they destroy you and you never can come back out of those sets. I advise you to delete their numbers from your phone. The next set of people are the multipliers, role models, people who are successful. These people constitute only 5% of the friends we keep. They are very serious-minded and they take life seriously. If you can tolerate them and go around them, because you are going around them, your dress sense and your grooming will change. Because you don't want people to look down on you. When you go around them, you see their setting. When you go home, you want to reorganize your setting. And because you are around them, if you are around 5 billionaires, you will be the 6th billionaire. Because as you sit around them, the things they say will stimulate your mind, will encourage you, will open your mind up to possibilities. And before you know it, you start achieving success. Every human being needs a mentor. And that's what we are. FMG means free mentorship grooming. We freely open the minds of people to succeed in what they choose to do. And those that are in business, we encourage them and make them see their possibilities and how they can increase the volume and profitability of their businesses. Today, the topic we have before us is starting most businesses with little or nothing. Today, I'm going to show you now how you can start an estate from beginning to end without 1 naira in your pocket. How you can open a shop today without 1 naira in your pocket. How you can start a school without 1 naira in your pocket. How you can open a shop and sell something that you don't have and make in excess of 1 million naira. How you can sell any item in the market and make 1 million naira a month. How you can use people that are talented around you to start making money. Nigeria is so blessed. Everything we need to succeed is around us. But we are blindfolded with the style of education that we have and the role models that we have created around us. The role models we have created around us are leaders who don't do anything but make money. And because of that, a lot of people today don't want to do anything. That's why the vices are increasing. If you go to the north, there's Boko Haram. If you go to the south, there is militancy, there is kidnapping, and all sorts of things. But money continues to flow in the streets of Nigeria. Do you know you can start a business today employing somebody? For example, put notice that you want to employ an accountant and you are willing to pay 200,000 naira a month. Over 200 people will apply for the job. Pick the best and put him in a room in your office and tell that individual that all you'll be doing in this office is do tax clearance for our clients. When you finish telling him that, he resumes. Announce on the social media today that you are doing tax clearance. That people do outside for 100,000, 200,000 to 1 million naira. That you are doing it for 50,000 naira per process. Over 100 people will subscribe to it. And if these 100 people pay 50,000 naira a month for the process, you will have made 5 million naira and pay the salary of that individual at 200,000 naira. In Nigeria today, there are a lot of people that are looking for jobs. They are looking for jobs that will pay them 30,000 naira to 200,000 naira. And all they need to do is employ people and they will be making money. A housewife can employ a house girl and pay the house girl 10,000 naira. Select the one that knows how to do braids. Put her in your sitting room and announce to people in that area that you do hair for children. Before you know it, people will start coming to do hair there. Charge them 2,000 naira for the hairdo they come to do. With 5 clients, you will pay the salary of that house girl. You can imagine what that house girl will do for a month for you. Money is in the street. I show barbers how they can make 300,000 naira out of when they currently earn about 30,000 naira. Because the barber is fixated in the fact that, oh, he has to work in a shop, he has to be agent to somebody, he has to get commission from any hair he barbs. A particular barber walked to my office and told me, I hear you teach people how to double their business. I came here to know I can double my business. And I told the barber that, look, all you need to do is carry your sanitizer, carry your clippers, and go to 3 boarding schools. Ask to see the house masters. Tell the house master you will come to that school to barb the hair of these students. And you charge them 30% of what they are charged outside. And whatever you are paid, you share it with the house master 50-50. That gentleman makes in excess of 300,000 naira a month. You don't need 1 naira to open a shop today. You can open a shop today. For those who are fixated in their mind, they'll be thinking of renting a shop, stocking the shop, employing people to work in the shop, pay the salaries of people that will work in the shop, buy a generator that will take off power, buy diesel, and if you look at all this, the overhead, and the plan would throw out about 1 million naira to 2 million to 5 million naira to start that business. Today, you can actually go to that individual who is the importer of that item into Abuja, tell him you are going to sell for him, take the picture of those items that you see, and put it on the social media. If you don't know how to put it on the social media, come to FMG ICT Hub. They will set up a system for you that will make you reach out to over 10,000 people. You pay minimum charges. And over 10,000 people will see what you are selling. At the end of the day, you sell more than the person that has a shop. What did you use to open that business? Nothing. I tell you, even today as I speak to you, you can start an estate. You can start an estate from beginning to end without a dime in your pocket. Because the way we are structured in Nigeria is such that there are people who have land, they don't have money. There are people who have money, they don't have the idea of what to do. The monies are idle in the bank. There are people today who have idea, who don't have money and they don't have land. All you need to do is bring these 3 people together and create a collaborative team. Tell the landowner you build the estate on his land and give him some houses. The houses when sold will be 3 or 4 times the value of his land. Tell the man who has the money in the bank, you will not touch the money. All you need is to put that money that he has in the same bank and get a bank guarantee against it. And you give that man 20% return on his money instead of the 5% that he's getting currently from the bank. You will sign the agreement. Employ the service of a construction company and tell them I'm giving you a contract to build 100 bungalows. And as they are building the bungalows, you tell them to start with only 40. And that the money that you used to pay them is already in the bank. Give them the bank guarantee that you are giving from the bank. They will take the contract. And as they start building, start selling to people that you want to sell to at half the price. And as they are buying, tell them not to give you the money, that they should put the money in the bank. And if you don't give them the keys to the house, let the bank not release the money. You will start collecting money that you used to pay the construction company. By the time you sell 50% of the estate, all you need to pay the construction company for the whole estate is in the bank already. Sell the other 10% and give the money to the person that put money in the bank as security to get a bank guarantee. You have 40% of the houses left. Take 20% of the houses and give 20% of the houses to the landowner. The estate is complete. How much did I use to build that estate? Nothing. You can start a lot of business without 1 naira in your pocket. Do you know today you can go to the internet with something that you know how to do and get a cameraman to take your picture as you demonstrate how that skill is? And as you finish doing that, put it on YouTube. As people start clicking to see what you have on that thing that you are teaching them, you'll be making money using YouTube. Do you know today you can also sell news, information, gossip? People use gossip. They gossip and waste their time gossiping. Today, do you know, with an information that you have that is new, that nobody has, you can showcase it on the internet today. And as people click into the information to see the information, you are making money. You can also make money using packaging. You can package garri, groundnut, and sugar with a small amount of money, not up to 20,000 naira. You will make 1 million naira a month. The garri, sugar, and groundnut, not everybody will go and buy garri in the market and buy sugar and package it. But if you put it together and you package it and you sell it in the 3 areas of Abuja, you will make in excess of 1 million naira a month. With a capital of 20,000 naira, you can also put that package in 5 supermarkets today, and you will make in excess of 1 million naira. Money continues to flow in the streets of Nigeria. You can also do a lot with all these things I've just mentioned now with collaboration. In fact, any human being you see that has a talent, you can use to create wealth. Anybody that has something that is selling today, you can help him to sell and make in excess of 1 million naira. And you don't need 1 naira to start any of those businesses. I stay here today to challenge you and challenge everybody that is hearing me today. What is your desire? What do you enjoy doing? Come and ask your questions. I'm going to answer you with every question that you have. And if you want to follow me on all the social media, get in touch with us. We will be able to take you on and mentor you on how you can succeed in whatever you are doing. Those who are in business, we will be able to show you how that business can increase in volume. How you can use your competition to expand your business. How you can actually use only 5 customers to succeed in that business. Everything you need to succeed in Nigeria is in Nigeria. Money continues to flow in the streets of Nigeria, and people are not seeing it. I invite you today to start asking your question. Whatever question you have to ask me now. I am willing to take the questions on. I'm going to break a while and expect your questions. And when I come back, I'm going to take every question that anybody has to do with people who are challenged with the desire to open a business, and money is their challenge. I welcome your questions. Thank you very much as I take a break for now. Welcome back. Again, I want to start by telling you that the topic that we have today is starting most businesses with little or nothing. I took a break to actually take some questions from the chat room, and I expect some more questions from you guys. Money continues to flow in the streets of Nigeria, and everything you need to succeed in Nigeria is in Nigeria. I dare any state government, I dare any NGO, come and collaborate with us. We will reduce unemployment in any state by 20% to 30%. Any individual today that needs a job, come to us. We will show you how you can actually become your own boss and start employing people to make money for yourself. If you know that you are challenged with salaries that are not well paid, poor salaries, come to us. I will show you how you can make money on the side and say bye-bye to that employment that you are into. For those who are doing business, I'm challenging you to come. If you are struggling with the business you are doing, come. I will show you how you can actually do that business and succeed with that business. Because everything you need to succeed is in Nigeria. Now, I'm going to take some of the questions that are coming already. Sir, is it for real that I can start a business without 1 naira in my pocket? I desire to start coconut oil business. What do I do? Caroline Amiedi. You can start that business today. Coconut oil is what you want to know how you want to start without 1 naira in your pocket. Today, as I speak to you, there are a lot of people who have coconut oil business, but they are not selling. Some of them probably do the coconut business, they don't know how to use the internet. Look for that person that you have today that is doing that business already, and go to the person and tell the person that you are going to be selling for the person. Take the picture of the coconut oil. If I look for 5 different people that are doing coconut business, 5 different people that are doing coconut business, and get them that you are going to be selling for them. Take the different pictures of the coconut they are selling, coconut oil that they are selling, and immediately go to the internet. If you don't know how to use the internet, come to us. We will put that coconut oil on the internet. We will put your phone number there with your negotiated price, and we'll throw it out to over 10,000 people in the social media. There is no way you will not have over 100 people buy from you. And as you start making the money from the coconut oil that you sell online, you begin to buy your own stock and begin to use it to sell. You have started that business already. And the other thing I must also tell you is that you don't need more than 5 customers to win. You can go to 5 supermarkets that don't have coconut oil to sell. When you have started making the money, you don't need to open a shop. When you go to that supermarket, the price of what you are going to sell that coconut oil for will double. Tell the supermarket to take 40% of whatever they sell and give you 60%. You will open 5 shops in 5 different supermarkets and you'll be selling coconut oil and you'll be making money. Money continue to flow in the streets of Nigeria. You don't need 1 naira to start this coconut business. And as I use this example, please use coconut oil and replace coconut oil with any product. You'll have answered your questions according to the question that I just answered now. Can FMG assist cooperatives get loans and grants? Daniel Musa, everything you need today is in the hands of human beings. There is nothing you want today that is not in the hands of human beings. You want to sell, you talk to human beings. You want to buy, you buy from human beings. So the first thing I will tell you is to go back to my beginning of this presentation, where I told you that you should make yourself positive, make your mindset positive, be happy, be well packaged, and when you go to talk to people, people will not turn you down. Because people are the contact that you need to actually start any business, to actually communicate in any business. When you want to do something like you ask here, how can FMG assist cooperative? In fact, cooperative who come to us can increase the money they make. They don't need to get their customers, their members to pay dues. Because the money they are going to be making connecting with us, we give them money to take care of their management and to also take care of the soft loans that they give to their staff. Cooperatives can become and get access to mentorship, get their members to open to mentorship, using our mentorship platform to mentor their members, showing them how they can succeed in whatever they do. And for those who want to do business, they will be given consultation that will make them succeed in the business that they want to do. In fact, start any business with little or nothing. Cooperatives who come to us can buy houses worth 12 million naira with 3 to 5 million naira. Because we're going to package them in a way that they will buy the houses using our strategy, and they will be buying a house that is 12 million naira for 3 to 5 million naira. Cooperatives have a solution that if you know any cooperative, connect them to us, because they will make money. They don't need to collect dues from their members. They will be exposed to how they can succeed in what they do. If they want to do business, we will show them how they can start that business without 1 naira in their pocket. They will be able to access our ICT hubs and all the hubs that we have in the FMG group, where they can actually do things at huge discount. We'll open websites for them. We'll do logos for them. We'll do access to reaching out to over 10,000 people with their business, their product and services. They get that services at a huge discount. If it is done outside for 80,000 to 100,000, they will be doing it for between 30,000 and 50,000 naira. And a percentage of what is put on top of it will go to the cooperative to fund their activities. We also have insurance hub. We can give them group life insurance, group health insurance at a huge discount. We have a real estate scheme that they can use to become landlord with their amount, with their rent, and at 30% to 50% of the real value. So cooperatives can benefit a lot working with us with the FMG group. The next question I have here is, sir, I am a pastor. My ministry is located in Niger State. My desire is to relocate to Abuja. What do I do? Thank you, sir. Pastor Samuel Aja, I recently just raised, okay. Now, this question that he has asked there is a pastor. He wants to relocate his ministry from Niger State to Abuja. It is very simple. Today, you don't need to relocate from a spot to a point if you have a church. Because the church has moved from the building. The church has moved into the air. Any church that is operating today that is not in the air, that is not in the social media, that is not out there in the internet, is in prison. Because you will not be seen. If you have a congregation of about 4 people, to 100 people, to 250 people, once we get you into the internet, you will have access to over 10,000 people. And you have people calling you from London, from America, from Sokoto, from Warri, from all over the place, reaching you to see what you are doing. The world is now a globe. If you have a church today, you can have a congregation of 10,000 people. And you don't need to limit yourself to Niger State. But if you see in seat that you want to come to Abuja, you don't need to struggle. You can start the services wherever you are now in Niger State, and we will put you and circulate what you are doing within Abuja. And people will begin to see you in Abuja. And before you know it, you'll be getting calls from people from Abuja, and you have enough followership to rent a place in Abuja and just move into Abuja. Because they know you on the internet, and you have been able to circulate people around Abuja. If you want to get members in Asokoro, in Metama, in Wusetu, just come to us. Our ICT hub will take your church and position it by getting a website for you. They will throw you out there, and you will be on all the phone that are handled in Wusetu, Metama, and Asokoro, and people will see you from there, and they will be able to reach you. So today, there is no place that is a limitation. I tell you again and again, the power of knowing how to connect with human beings cannot be overemphasized. Human beings are the ones holding the wealth of the society. The way God blesses us is that He gives everybody a gift. There is nobody that does not have a gift. But He gives you the gift and gives you a peculiar gift. He expects you to look for somebody who He has given another gift. And that gift that He has given to that other person will complement your gift and make you complete. For example, a man has the gift as a man, but he cannot, a man has a gift as a man, but he cannot have children if he does not look for a wife. So if that man stays as a man, he will continue to be a man without a wife. But once he gets a wife, he'll be able to procreate and be able to be complete with the gift that he learned. And nobody gets to know about the money. And when they die, the money just go. There are people they have given ideas to. They call themselves professors, but they can't use that profession to actually create wealth. But they teach people who actually make money. I tell you, all you need to do is collaborate with someone that has what you don't have. If the politicians collaborate with us, technocrats today, they will govern well. If those who have money connect with us, who are technocrats today, their monies will work for them. If those who are intelligent connect with us today, they will open up to using their ideas and their talents and make money with ease. Ladies and gentlemen, I've come to the end of this webinar, and I would like to tell you again and again, FMG means free mentorship grooming. We freely groom people, open their eyes to how they can succeed in whatever they do. We also open the eyes of business owners on how they can actually succeed in their businesses. I call on parents today. Send your children who are undergraduate. Send your children that are jobless. We will show them and actually mentor them on how they can succeed in school. The ones that are graduate will show them how they can start businesses without 1 naira in their pocket. For those who are working today, who are not earning enough salary, come and connect with us. We will show you how you can actually make money on the side today that will earn you in excess of 1 million naira a month. For those who are entrepreneurs, who are struggling, who have ideas, but they don't have money to start business, come, you will start that business today. For those who are business owners, come, we will show you how you can use only 5 customers to succeed in the business that you are doing. We will show you how you can actually use your competition to expand your business, how you can use the internet to make your business blossom. For those who are pastors, come and connect with us. We'll expose your members to how they can start business without 1 naira in their pocket, how they can succeed in what they do, and it will increase the followership that you have. It will increase the tithing that you get, because they are going to be exposed to how they can succeed doing what they do. For government agencies, I dare any state governor, come to collaborate with us. We'll reduce unemployment in your state by over 20 to 30%, because everything you need to make that happen is in the state. For donor agencies and development agencies and NGOs, we want to collaborate with you and reduce unemployment in IDP camps, among police officers' wives, all the armed forces' wives, all the women we have in Nigeria, to go to state, to go to IDP camps, to go to state and reduce unemployment and poverty in Nigeria. We have the solution, and we believe that teaching and exposing people to how they can start businesses without one naira in their pocket, teaching people how to employ people and make money, will reduce a lot of people from the street. And our orientation and mentorship will change the mindset of a lot of people who depend on people to succeed in what they do. I've come and I'm open. Follow us on the on all the social media handles. Our social media handle is FMG Platform. For me, you can reach me anytime you want to reach me. My name is Francis Daniel Okumagba. We are waiting, we are looking, and we hope to collaborate with all those we have mentioned, and we believe that this presentation will give you the opportunity to open your eyes in the affirmation that you can start a business with little or nothing. I look forward to seeing you again next week, Thursday, when we'll be discussing some other topics. I thank you for attending this program, and God bless you. And keeping safe and avoid the incidences of COVID-19, because we want all of us to live together to see the 2021 that we look up to. Thank you very much.
For more info on how to join FMG World Platform, visit our website www.fmgnigeria.com. Follow us on Twitter at FMG Platform. Like our Facebook page, FMG Platform. Our corporate office is at FMG Platform House, number 11 Dakala Street, off Parakou Street, opposite Hotel Dabras, Wuzit.